It all started with an idea, parts from an old computer, and parts one bought online. From the old computer, I used the case, power supply, and stepper motors from a DVD reader. It worked without problems, but the working area was too small. So I came up with the idea of building a larger CNC machine with possible commercial use. With a little investment, the work surface grew from 5 by 5 centimeters to 40 by 30 centimeters. I inserted better stepper motors and a suitable power supply for such a DIY project. Let's see what is needed for such a CNC machine. 1. Laser module, also used in the first project. 2. Nema 17 stepper motors and transfer belts. 3. 12 volts, 5 amps power supply. 4. Arduino Uno and CNC Shield with a 4988 drivers. 5. Flexible cable carrier. 6. 2020 aluminum profiles. 7. Perforated sheet metal for the work surface with the ability to adjust the level using a couple of screws and springs.
8. Belt tensioners. 9. Gantry plates. 10. Screws, profile connectors, wires. What is characteristic of this machine is that the Y-axis rests on the X-axis profile with one end, and the other end has a wheel in order to stabilize the entire Y-axis during the movement of the laser module. The laser has the ability to manually adjust the height, so it is possible to engrave materials of different thicknesses. Tell me in the comments what you think about this version of DIY laser engraver.